Okay, 2008 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Customer complaint. Everything completely dead. You can see nothing turns on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna first check right here. Oh, let me go back, sorry about that. Our ignition switch. So pin number 8, which is our blue or red, we should have voltage coming out from the smart junction box. And the pins 3 go to the logic board, and they would be sent out. So pin number 7 will go to the circuit deactivation ignition module. Number 5 will go to the power distribution. Number 10 will go to power distribution. Number 9 will go to the circuit deactivation control module, like I mentioned. Let's go first with number 8 and see what we find. So on the smart junction box, you can see feed 27 to 20 amp. We should have, that wire should be hot at all times. Like you can see, it's not. Due to demonstrate that we have a good power source. It's a little far, but let's go right here. As you can see, Tesla it is able to light up. So next thing to do is go ahead and check pin 27 on the smart junction box and see what we find. Okay, I am on fuse 27. As you can see, Tesla lights up. We go to the other side, the Tesla does not light up. Let's check this what's it called, this fuse, see if it's blown. Also make sure it's not shorted to ground. If there's a short, we have to find that short. Let's get to it. Okay, the Tesla is connected to battery positive. You can see they were to illuminate. So I will go right here and I'm grounded. The only thing I go to this fuse is the ignition switch and a CDIM, which is all the way over there, that was connected to this. It looked like somebody did a bypass, but it's already off. And I still have a ground on that circuit. There's nothing else that connecting that on at all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut that wire and see what do I get. I mean, the only reason is there should be a short that goes from here to wherever to the harness where connected to the ignition switch and the CDIM. Let me go to it and see what I find. So, just to check the wire integrity, you can see I'm still connected to blue wire with red trace. You look over here, this is our blue wire with red trace. So if we go right there, Tesla lights up. test light lights up. So our wire integrity from here all the way over there is perfectly fine. If I remove this guy, test over here, see if I have a ground issue, doesn't light up. So our short is not here to there. Our short, this battery, this, you can see that the fuse box is faulty. So I'm going to ask for customer approval to remove it and open it up and fix it. Okay, just to prove that we have a fault with this fuse box, let me see, pin 24 is the ground, okay? I don't know how well you guys will be able to see this, but this pin right here is 24. So I made it so you could hear a noise. You can hear that? There's a pin that we had an issue with that kept on blowing the fuse. And you can hear it's going off. So let's go ahead and look at 24 again. 24 is a black or violet, which is 16 gauge. It's a ground. It's a cowl right, number 2. So this proves that we have a fault within our fuse box. Simple as that. I'm going to take it apart and see if I can fix it.